Welcome back to my solo motorcycle adventure. On day 9, I set off from Aosta, Italy, heading to Interlaken, Switzerland. The journey was 205 kilometers, and though the weather was mostly cloudy with scattered rains, it didn't dampen the excitement of this day. After a restful night in Aosta, I hit the road again. The weather was a bit unpredictable, with clouds and light rains along the way, but that's to be expected when riding through the mountains. As I made my way through the beautiful landscapes of Italy and Switzerland, the changing weather added a dramatic feel to the ride. But the highlight of the day was something completely new for me, taking the Lötschberg Tunnel train to Kandersteg in Switzerland. The Lötschberg Tunnel train is a unique way to travel through the Alps. Riding my motorcycle onto the train and experiencing this new form of transportation was exciting and unlike anything I'd done before. Going through the tunnel, I was surrounded by massive mountains, and when we emerged in Kandersteg, the stunning scenery of the Swiss Alps greeted me once again. After a train ride, I continued on to Interlaken, where I would be staying for 2 nights. This ride was also special because today's journey, my BMW motorcycle, hit the 30,000 kilometers mark. Reaching 30,000 kilometers on my bike felt like a major achievement. It's been a reliable companion through countless adventures, and today was no exception as I made my way towards Switzerland through the beautiful yet challenging mountain roads. After an eventful day of riding and crossing through the tunnel, I arrived in Interlaken. I checked into Parkhotel Gunten, a fantastic hotel with breathtaking views of Thunersee Lake. It was the perfect place to unwind for 2 nights. Join me at day 11 as I continue my solo motorcycle adventure toward Frankfurt, Germany. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to follow along on this unforgettable journey. Thanks for watching.